everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make Japanese octopus salad. It's called tako no sunomono. It's popular and I think you can find izakaya, the Japanese tapas bar, and it's popular food. And I purchased sashimi grade octopus, so I decided to make this one. I purchased sashimi grade octopus leg, and it was longer, but I cut it for the other dish. So this is where I'm gonna use for this salad. Slice thin and cut smaller pieces. I recommend English cucumber because it's less watery than regular cucumber. This is wakame seaweeds. I brought this one from Japan, so you may not be able to find it. But you may be able to find this dried one, and the way that's soaked in the water is the same way. After you wash wakame under the running water, you squeeze the water out. Then I cut them. And dried one is usually already cut in small pieces. Now I make dressing. Squeeze the water out. I hope you enjoy my video today, and hopefully you will try this food for the future. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching, and see you next time soon again.